Welcome back everyone to another exciting episode of We Heart Therapy. You're watching your guide to therapy and coaching series. I'm your host, Anabelle Bugatti. Today we're talking about a very exciting resource that's available for the public. This is free counseling. Many of you may not know that there's colleges and universities all across the United States that have counseling programs for students that also have free counseling clinics that are open to the public. And today we have a special guest with us, Dr. Lynne Smith. She's the clinical director at University of Phoenix here in Las Vegas at their Summerlin campus. And they are one of those exciting universities that have a free counseling center open to the public. She's going to talk to us about this wonderful resource for the community. Thank you so much for being with us today, Dr. Smith.
Thank you, Anabelle.
So talk to our viewers who know nothing about free counseling and college campus counseling centers for the public. Talk to them about what this resource is about.
Sure. Campuses or colleges that offer counseling programs have their students go all the way through their coursework, take all of the required classes, and then they have an opportunity to work with clients. And one of the ways that helps both the public and the university is for us to offer this free counseling. And here we offer that for anyone 5 years and older.
Excellent. So anyone 5 years and older can come to University of Phoenix that has a counseling center, and they can be seen, and they'll be seen by a student, right?
Yes, and these students, many of our students in particular, have a lot of life experience. They may be coming back, changing careers, coming back after military service. So these are individuals that have a lot of breadth to them that they bring into the counseling process. And they are also very closely supervised by licensed clinicians. And those supervisors work with them very closely in the care of the clients.
So you don't have to be off-put by the fact that you're being seen by a student. What I hear you saying is that the students that participate in these programs often have a lot of life experience. A lot of them are returning students or students who are sort of recreating their career, and they're also closely monitored by licensed professionals to make sure that they are getting top quality care. So if anyone's looking for free counseling, don't have to worry about being seen by a student. Still a very excellent resource.
Absolutely, and we get very positive feedback from our clients.
Excellent. So what type of counseling do the students do here?
Well, we have the luxury of offering many types of counseling here. We have the opportunity for group counseling. We can do individuals, teens, children again, usually in our playroom that's very well equipped. And we can work with couples and whole families. And so if a family comes in and we feel like we need to add some support, we can have one clinician work with the children, one work with the parents, and work with different aspects of the family to help the entire family system.
That's so exciting. So if you're looking for counseling and you're sort of strapped for cash, this could be an exciting resource. And not only can you be seen as a couple or an individual, but you can find a therapist to work with your child as well.
Absolutely, and we work to schedule that as conveniently for everyone. We have families that have as many as 3 or 4 counselors that are all working with them in different configurations.
And they have an awesome playroom, which we're going to show you a little clip of. And again, so everything is kept confidential, and these are great students who are offering these free services. So if somebody is not in Las Vegas and they're interested in finding a campus near them so that they can find some of these wonderful resources, how can they look that up?
Best way is to go to phoenix.edu, and that will show you the 8 campuses that offer free counseling across the country. And all we require is that you call in on our main number, which here in Las Vegas is 702-352-0401. And then we ask for just a brief telephone screening just to make sure that we're a good fit for the potential clients. And we don't require any other kind of documentation, so we could take actually undocumented individuals as well. So anybody and everybody who is appropriate for our student clinicians then is matched up with the clinician as soon as possible, and we get you in for services.
It sounds like University of Phoenix offers counseling to a variety and a diverse background of clients. So even if you are undocumented, you can get free counseling, and that's it. That's pretty exciting. There's 8 campuses across the United States that have one of these counseling clinics, so you can go to phoenix.edu and find one of those in your area, or you can contact the local number that Lynne just provided for us. We'll definitely put a link in the drop-down box and put the phone number there if you are in the area and you're interested in getting counseling. And as always, you can perform a general Google search to find other universities if you're not near a University of Phoenix campus. You can see if your local university has a program and a campus counseling center that might be open to the public. Thank you again so much for watching us today. Thank you for being with us, Dr. Smith. And stay tuned to We Heart Therapy. Check us out on the web, wehearttherapy.com. And as always, sit tight because more episodes are on the way.